What's up, people? Guess what? I just woke up, sorry. Tired. It's so dark though. There's Rick. So tired. There's Rick. Show yourself. We're it looks like it's gonna rain. There's a bunch of snitches. Snitches get stitches.
Don't put that on.
We are changing the steering wheel, putting the quick release.
Pretty boring.
I have to use a flashlight because it's dark.
It's not that dark.
No, but you can't see it on recording.
Oh.
Yeah, if I shut out the flashlight, I can't see anything.
Someone's watching us.
Who?
On the balcony, they're having smoke.
Of course they're watching us. Whatever.
It's probably the same person.
That snitched? You think?
I don't fucking know.
Me neither. Whatever. Not working on the car. What was off? Oh, it's just kids. Oh my god, are you ever paranoid?
You're paranoid.
You're paranoid.
I'm not fucking paranoid. What you saying? I hear someone talking.
It's a ghost.
Fucking right it is.
It's an alien.
Well, that could be true.
It's fucking Donald Trump. Oh my god. Just kidding. Fuck, can this guy be any close? How the fuck am I gonna get out of here? Look how close he is. Like, seriously. Buddy, you didn't have to park so fucking close to me. Ooh, look at this quick release guy. Oh, and guess what? She's very oily. I picked her up by mistake and, like, she slid right out of my fingers like butter. And I looked at Rick and said, "What the fuck is on this?" And he laughed and was like, "It's oil."
It's grease.
Grease.
Not oil.
Grease. Because I picked it up like it was, like, just looking at it, and it was like butter. It fell out of my fingers. I can't wait for the rainbow one to come in. Are you going to change it to the rainbow one?
Oh, bro. I'm gonna try both, you know.
I think the rainbow one will be better because it's smaller.
Yeah.
This one sticks out too much. The rainbow one was more flat.
Oh, this one's nice, though.
This one is nice. And he was so surprised it wasn't cheap. I'm thinking, are you... Like, we paid a pretty penny for it. The fuck you think it's cheap for? You think everything that comes in the mail is fucking cheap because you can't see it in your fucking hand?
No. Just...
But it's not made cheap. And it wasn't cheap. So I don't know why he would think it was like plastic or something. Oh, this is gonna look awesome. Get that ugly ass flag thingy off of it.
It's Canadian flag.
Oh.
You're funny.
Oh, well, get that ugly... I was gonna say bandana. I don't know why I said flag.
It's not a bandana.
Oh, what
It's
is
like a stretchy thing. Well, it's put over your head or your face, whatever. But it's not a bandana.
Oh, looks like one.
Well, it sort of does the same thing.
Hey, I could make a mask out of it. Nah, I don't wear a mask. I can barely breathe as it is.
I'll start smoking.
You want to quit?
Yeah, but no.
See, I can't quit unless you quit. It's team effort, yo. Can't sit there and watch you quit while I'm not. Well, I meant watch you smoke while I'm quitting. It's not the way shit works, yo. I guess you can call me a follower. But I'm the fucking leader.
Sure.
Yes, I wear the pants. You pick them, right?
That doesn't make you a leader, though.
Isn't that our slogan?
Yeah, but that means it's 50-50.
True that. I wear the pants, but Rick picks them. Even though he doesn't like any of my pants. I wear. If it was up to Rick, I'd be wearing see-through pants.
Yeah, right.
It's raining.
It's starting.
Yeah. We're gonna have to cover the thing outside. Is it good?
Yeah, it's just hard to see.
Oh, do you want the flashlight? Here.
Can't you see all the shade where I'm at? And they're black.
Oh, guys, look at that. No, it's gonna pop on like.
I still gotta put that steering wheel.
How do you do that?
You put it on the steering wheel.
Oh crap! Oh wow, that's sick. Oh, I could have did that. I could have screwed it in. What is so funny?
You could have screwed it.
Yeah,
You're blinding me.
sorry. I could have screwed it in though. Oh shit. Guys, look at this.
You're blinding me.
Oh, sorry.
You're putting the flashlight in my eyes, man. So you're still...
No, I'm not. Fine, there you go. I can't help that you're putting your face down there.
Well, I need to see, man.
Look, he has ash in his hair arm. His finger. Almost done, guys.
You have to get it tighter later.
Yeah.
Gets around.
Why? This looks nice, guys. And it matches it. That's beautiful. Ooh. Amazing.
Yeah, I think I put it wrong.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Watch. Look like this straight.
Uh-oh. It's on, guys. Did you try to take it off? Why not?
I just put it on.
Oh, there it is, guys. Looks amazing. Beautiful. Now we're going upstairs.